Assalamu alaikum. My name is Romer Sabir and I am a student of SMC department DNU. I am pursuing this course Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce online. I am excited to share a major milestone in my professional journey. I have successfully completed the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce professional certification. This comprehensive program developed by Google provided me with practical skills to excel in the ever-evolving fields of digital marketing and e-commerce. Throughout this program, I earned 6 certificates, each focusing on a key aspect of the digital world. Let me briefly introduce what each certificate covered and how they have equipped me with the essential skills. Certificate is Foundation of Digital Marketing and E-commerce. This introductory module laid the groundwork for understanding digital marketing and e-commerce. I explored fundamental concepts like how business use online platforms to reach customers, the importance of online presence and the strategies behind building a successful marketing campaigns. इसके अलावा भी इसने बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प की है मेरी, जिसमें मुझे पता चला है कि हमने जो ग्राउंड वर्क किया है, अपना अंडरस्टैंडिंग है जिसकी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की और ई-कॉमर्स की, और ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स को कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू रीच द कस्टमर्स और टारगेट ऑडियंस वगैरह सारी चीज़ों का अंदाज़ा एक इससे लगाया जा सकता है. इट इज़ अट्रैक्ट and engage customer with digital marketing. In this section, I learned the strategy business uses to draw in customers and keep them engaged. This include mastering tools like search engine optimization (SEO) to improve website visibility, search engine marketing (SEM) to run paid ad campaigns, and creating meaningful content to connect with the audience. इस सर्टिफिकेट में मुझे ये पता चला है कि जिस हिसाब से हमने अपनी वेबसाइट को चलाना है, अपनी एड्स को रन करना है, एड्स की कैंपेन्स को रन करना है, ताकि हम मैक्सिमम कस्टमर्स को रीच कर सकें. The third certificate is to interact with customers online from likes to leads. You can also call it social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses today. This certificate taught me how to create impactful marketing strategies for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. I learned to design engaging posts, run ad campaigns, and use analytics to measure audience interaction and improve results. With the help of this course, this certificate, मुझे ये आइडिया हो गया है कि मैंने अपनी टारगेट ऑडियंस को कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है और अपनी टारगेट ऑडियंस में एंगेजमेंट कैसे करनी है, उनको अपने साथ लिंक रखना है. जब मैं उनको लिंक रखूँगा तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे कस्टमर्स जो होंगे, मेरा जो बिज़नेस है वो ऑब्वियसली रन करेगा और इससे फ़ायदा ही होगा. और इस कोर्स ने बड़ा हेल्प किया है सर्टिफिकेट में बेसिकली. The fourth certificate is email marketing. The email marketing certificate focuses on creating and implementing effective email campaigns to engage customers and drive business results. I learned how to design compelling email content, segment audiences for personalized messaging, and use email automation tool to optimize campaign performance. This certificate also emphasized analyzing key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversations to continuously improve email strategy and maximize impact. So the fifth course is marketing analytics and measurement. Data-driven decision-making is crucial in digital marketing. In this module, I gained hands-on experience with the tools like Google Analytics to track website performance, analyze audience behavior, and measure the success of marketing campaigns. This allows me to understand what works, what doesn't, and how to optimize strategies for better outcomes. Due to this certificate, I have a better approach towards the marketing analytics and measurements, which will benefit in our future. Sixth certificate, build, launch, and manage e-commerce stores. Building e-commerce stores. This hands-on certificate was one of the highlights of the program. I learned how to set up and manage an e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify, and I practiced designing user-friendly websites, optimizing them for sales, and ensuring seamless customer experiences. इसके अलावा भी मैंने सोचा है कि मैं एक ज़बरदस्त सा स्टोर बनाऊंगा और जिसमें प्रॉपर लिस्टिंग, प्रॉपर प्राइस टैग्स और कस्टमर सपोर्ट 24/7 और इसके साथ साथ कस्टमर रिव्यूज़, ओरिजिनल रिव्यूज़ हों लोगों के, जिनसे फिर आप मैक्सिमम पोटेंशियल रीच कर सको कस्टमर्स का और सेटिस्फेक्शन दे सको कस्टमर्स को, जो कि फिर आपके बिज़नेस को ग्रो करने में फ़ायदा देंगे। ऑनलाइन The Develop Customer Loyalty Online Certificate focuses on strategies to build strong, lasting relationships with customer in the digital space. I learned how to create personalized experience, implement loyalty programs, and utilize tools like email marketing and social media to keep customer engaged. This module also emphasized the importance of delivering exceptional customer service and fostering trust to turn one-time buyer into loyal and repeat customers. It was so helpful for me, and it will be helpful for everyone if someone does it. Through completing these certificates, I have developed a wide range of skills, from attracting and engaging customers online to building and managing e-commerce stores and analyzing results to drive success. This program has prepared me to contribute effectively to business looking to expand their online presence, improve customer engagement, and increase revenue through strategic digital marketing and e-commerce solutions. I am truly excited to apply these skills in real-world projects, solve business challenges, and continue growing in the fast-paced and dynamic industry. Thank you for taking the time to celebrate this achievement with me. I look forward to embracing new opportunities and learning even more and making an impact in the digital marketing and e-commerce space. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.